Hello people, welcome back to EcoFit Life. You're watching Workout 365. Today is day 9 and today I'm going to tell you why you should work out. That's right. Today I'm going to tell you 6 things apart from your muscle growth, weight loss and everything else which you look at me externally, but these are the things that you need for your body internally and for your mind. First is workout improves your immunity, right? So the person who is working out from past 6 months and person who is not working out at all, you will definitely find issues with the person who is not working at all. That means ignore the communicable diseases that are there, but definitely we can reduce the overall health of the body by working out. The second is it improves your mood as well. You will feel happy and you will feel more energetic while you work out. And you should work out, you should play, you should dance, you can do whatever, but there should be sweat coming out of your body every day because that will help you to improve your mood, right? Third thing that is improved when you start working out is you sleep better. Definitely you will get more tired after you work out, your energy is depleted and you will feel low while you're going to sleep, but definitely you will have an amazing sleep once you work out or once you start working out. Fourth is it improves your memory, right? It strengthens your memory. So you will feel that definitely you have some more power in your brain for thinking, for memorizing things, and you can definitely feel able to memorize things more easily than way in the past when you were not working out at all. So definitely it helps improves your brain power. Fifth thing in my list for which workout is helpful is you will feel more energetic once you start working out. So whenever you feel low, it will be as a booster, as an energy booster for your body. It recharges your batteries. That happens. You can trust me on that because once you start working out, you will feel the energy in your body all the time. You will feel that yes, you can do this thing. Whenever you feel low, you can just do one push-up or do one pull-up. You'll feel that blood is going inside your body and you will feel more energetic, more powerful. Sixth thing and the last but not the least, it makes you more confident, right? Whenever you feel that when you start working out or you were not working out before, you feel low, a set of workout will do wonders for you. When you're overweight and you reduce weight, that definitely boosts up your confidence. And if you're underweight, you're lean, you do not have your muscle mass with you, when you start working out, you will gain that. So once you have that everything in you, you will definitely feel more confident. You can challenge anybody who is not working out and the person you see in the street who is working out. So you can see the comparison in between both of them. These were the 6 things that I wanted to share with you so that you can definitely start working out. If not in the gym, you can choose a park, you can choose a sport like badminton or cricket, whatever your favorite sport, you can do that. Since the summers are coming, I'll recommend you can start swimming as well. So that's one thing that I love. I'll definitely do that every day, not on Monday because that's closed. So just sharing that with you. The goal of my life is that even 1% is fit and start working out and feel more confident and is happy because watching my videos. So that will be all. Also trying to provide you with the best information possible. So make use of my videos, make use of the information that I share with you. You can write to me anytime on the email that I have shared in the description box below. You can follow the diet plan as well that I have shared for free. And see you tomorrow once again with another workout set which is for beginners. Once again, if you like my video, do share and subscribe to my channel and so that I can reach more people. So see you tomorrow with another set of workout. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye.